Two doors, Beatrix. Life is filled with moments where there's two doors and you can only choose one. I came to the far, far range because a search for the unknown is in my bones, and in time, even 1,000 light years away from Earth wasn't enough. So I searched for the secrets within the ancient runes that led me here. This place was my ticket to go even further. Can you believe it? How many episodes of Slime Rancher have we played now? 17? I think this is the 17th. Ah, we've done so much. And honestly, I don't know if I'm really done per se, but I've done most of the things I've needed to do. And really, there's a second game waiting for me, so can't help but wonder. Could it be time to close this chapter and start a new one? But really, it kind of seems like did both doors lead to the same place? Maybe there's the doors down here? Oh, hey little guy. I'm trying to figure out where my life is going, if you don't mind. No, no, no! No! Oh my goodness. Well, I guess he's coming with me. Because I'm not letting him jump. I chose my door. I went back to the ranch and promptly sold it. I packed my things and I took a tour of this beautiful land one last time, leaving these little notes for you. It was time I say goodbye to the life I had. My hands and feet tingled as I approached this monolithic warp terminal. What lay ahead of me was an adventure unlike anything I had ever known in my life. I stepped onto the platform, my heart racing. But I didn't go. I had packed for a new adventure, but it wasn't going to be beyond space and time. So I said a little goodbye to what could have been and headed to Thora's ranch. I'm looking forward to hearing the sound of those wind chimes. I've never been in love before, never known anything like it. It's time I got to knowing what all the fuss is about. So good luck to you, Beatrix. Always remember to use your head, but let your heart do the thinking every now and again. It might surprise you. They tripped me out. I thought there would be something crazy at the end. It's just a little end of the story. Aha! Ginger. Are there like specific ginger spots or do they just appear randomly? Back on the ranch. I'll put my little rescue boy in the pen with his brethren. Holy cow. Look at this bounty. To gently suction them. Dang it! How did I know? Could I like leave and then come back? I mean, it's worth a try. I might be able to unload him. Yes, it freaking worked. Let's go. Yeah! Oh my gosh. That freaking ruled. Wait, what? I don't have any chicken. This is because I haven't gone outside in like a week, isn't it? What? Eat it, bro. Where is he? There you go. Nice. What an eventful day. How much are gold plorts today? Are they gonna be expensive? I hope so. Ugh, they're down. I mean, I think I just want to sell them anyway. Whatever. Still a pretty fat check. Oh, if the recording messes up, I'm gonna be so mad. I'm gonna be so mad. Ugh. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Oh, yep. They're out and about. Oh, it's these ones that are hungry. I can fix you. Ah, that's why. They weren't putting any phase lemons in. Oh. They weren't putting any phase lemons in. I mean, even if the price of quantum plorts drops, it's still an expensive plort. Maybe I should get the, like, the toy that they like. Okay, they like puzzle cubes. Let's get one for each pen. Do the toys actually, like, keep them happy? Like, do they get less hungry? Do they play with it? They do seem to like it. It would be funny if they, like, solved it. Woo! 100,000 new bucks. I'm getting kind of rich over here. Oh, I got some lava dust from over here. That's cool. So, not to bring up the horrible things that happened to me or anything, but I did lose a bit of the first recording that I took for this episode, which mostly just included me grinding and then getting one of the Z rewards, which included, I think, the extra life. But, yeah, it really wasn't that interesting, so actually don't worry about it. Let's just move on to the next upgrade. Wander Wolf. Titan Drill. Wait, hold on. That sounds awesome. How many rewards are there? Because I want to get them all, like, today. Oh, I completed adventure mode. Nice. Sorry I never read any of your letters, Casey. Wait. That day, Beatrix took a moment to reflect. She thought about Hobson and Thora and the adventures she'd had exploring the far, far range. But most of all, she thought of Casey and wondered where life would take her next. Oh, is this the credits?
Oh, please don't say that you'll go. My heart can't bear the news. Just knowing that you'll be 1,000 light years away.
Oh my God.
And will you know when it's through? When you find what you're looking for, will you know what to do 1,000 light years away? When you do, oh, when you do. And I should have said it before you
Oh.
'Cause I'm kicking myself for waiting oh so long. And I should have held you near every time I fear somehow you just wouldn't feel the same.
Oh my God, I'm crying.
So please don't say that you'll go. My heart can't bear the news. Just knowing that you'll be 1,000 light years away. If you do, oh, if you do.
Yeah!
Sitting here
The
gazing
asteroid
up
belt.
at the stars. Let's say we pick one out and call the whole thing ours. And even though that light we see ain't the same for you and me, well, you'll know and I'll know that you and I can't even be 1,000 light years away, and I'd still love you. Oh yes, I do. I love you.
Every pioneer on every new frontier, be brave, be bold, and stay wiggly. Oh my god. I need like 5 minutes. Ah, my eyes are burning. Hobson! I need 5 minutes.
I love refrigerators.
So we do have Victor's area. Need to figure out what I'm going to put there. So we have 1, 2 plots. 3, 4. Do these grow phase lemons? Okay, and we have a spot for water slimes, I guess. There are definitely less plots here. Maybe we do, like, dervish here. And just see what's in the top. Like, what's expensive right now. Actually, can I make any more of those, like, good bees? Okay, I need jelly for that. So we're gonna want jelly, and we're gonna want something to fill up Victor's area. We could do dervish hunters. Okay, let's do that. That'll be kind of a fun combination. Ah, perfect. You're all coming with me. Okay, that should be good enough. Whee! Whoa, whoa! Oh boy. I'm making bad creatures in here. Stop it. Stop being so angry. Stop it. Dervish like prickle pears, so we'll grow prickle pears in here. Prickle pear? More like prickle where? Aha! Nice. That didn't take long at all. Oh, that's cool. Oh, they're all out. Guys. My bees are not taking proper care of you. Damn good moneymaker, though. Give you that. Oh, excuse me, excuse me. Look at the council over here. This is some kind of meetup. Stop it. Jelly, please. Ugh. Still no jelly. Oh my god. You're killing me, bro. Killing me. I'm gonna have to start farming pink plorts of all things. Why is there fruit in there? Wait a minute. Aha. Right. We need to fix that. These guys have way too many freaking toys. Am I just immune to radiation sickness? Ugh. I'm trying to help you guys. Alright, can we afford the next upgrade? Oh right, Hobson mailed us. Thanks for taking care of the ranch. Sorry I left it all crappy. It's looking good. As a thank you, I've activated 3 secret vaults that I built years ago to stash a small fortune of mine. I'd always planned on using it as a walking around money in the great beyond, but I ain't needing that no more. He's... Ah! Secret vaults! What the heck? Now I have to go exploring! Yee. But first, Z Corporation. No, I cannot afford it. Very close, though. Look at this. Precarious present. Time to go home. Yippee! Oh, that was day 101. Hey, happy 100 days, guys. Jelly! Oh my god, yes. This one's baby blue. Okay, so first we want it to plorts from plort collectors and then take those to the market link. Because I don't have a market link yet. Right. Okay, I need to make that also. Darn. Just take those to the refinery link for now. And then we wanted to take fruit from the gardens and then put them in the auto feeders. That should be good for now. And then I'm going to make a market link. Oh my god, it needs jelly too. No! Oh. Okay, well, we'll deal with that next. Okay, let's get the next C reward. Woohoo! My Christmas tree is looking nice. Very nice. What? Get in the pen! Oh, I still haven't made a market link. That's right. It all comes back down to jelly again. What? What? Am I full? What the heck? Never seen that before. I guess I'm totally full. Huh. Okay. Well, note to self. Make a note to yourself. Pen cleaning is like picking up all the uneaten lemons. I'm gonna take the rest of these lemons to my fruity guys. I feel like this is the setup that I have is not completely optimized, but at the same time, it's a lot better than I thought. When I had all these areas, I was like, I can't keep track of all this. Like, what do they expect me to do? Now I'm kind of like, okay, you see the vision. You get your bees set up, and then you can handle it way better. Pretty good idea putting these guys indoors, though, because they are a problem. Eat your lemons. Calm down and eat your lemons. They always transform, and then they get hungry immediately after. Sorry, Victor. I made a mess of your lab. I'm not sure what you expected of me, but yeah, this is how we live now. Look at us. 3 of a kind. Peas in a pod. Yay! Oh my god, we did it. We got a jelly! A few would be nice, but... Yes! 2 royal jelly. What a good day. Day 104, let me tell you. Alright. Let me see if I have any pink plorts I could grab. Oh, let me just get a few of those. I need to farm pink plorts, unfortunately. Because I keep running out of pink, which is such a silly thing to run out of, but yeah, it's happening. I'm completely full on rock and rad, so I may just need to like relocate these guys or something. First, I can make a market link. Then I can take that market link and put it in here. Where can I put it? Oh, right here's good. Now I can tell you to take these to the market link. How much for Dervish right now anyway? 64! Oh wow. I'll be making big money from these pens. It would be cool if you could grow a slime from a plort, like put them in a little incubator and just grow them. That would seriously be the most adorable thing ever. I'll come back another time. Oh! Man! I was so not ready for that. You were the greatest. This should help with my pink plort problem. So weird to even have to call it a problem, but so is life. Okay. Let me go see how much the next upgrade is. It's probably pretty expensive. Alright, upgrade me. Oh, I want the apiary. Frozen violet chroma looks cool too. You know, if they can't get out, then couldn't they just free roam anywhere? That's an interesting idea. Woohoo! Make me money. Very nice. Whoa! He was popping like popcorn. Oh, sorry. Okay. Brother, just stay in your pen. You have lemons at home. See, look. Yeah, see, you got it. Eat your lemon. There you go. Now he's happy again. So we want you to get plorts from the collectors and take it to the refinery, but also get fruit from the gardens and then put them in the auto feeders. So now these guys will be fully self-sufficient. Come on, you're the last one. Get it. Come on. Come get it. Yeah! Oh, he missed. Try again. Nice. Ooh, here comes a paycheck. This is just Paycheck Island. Are we on an island? It doesn't even know where we are. Great. Here, why don't you put a few in? Teamwork makes my dream work. Teamwork makes the dream work. And water makes my bees work for some reason. Ooh, that was a big paycheck. How's everyone? A little hungry? We can take care of that. Slimes must eat. Whoa! I mean, that works. I was just trying to feed you, so if you insist on reaching outside of the pen, that's fine too. Okay, let's get the next upgrade. Docks upgrade. Ooh! Alright, another 150,000. I can do it! Why can I pump in here? What are you gonna get out of that? Well, I'm curious now, so I guess we're gonna find out. Okay, so check this out. Right here, I'm gonna put the new and improved royal apiary that lasts 12 cycles. Oh my gosh. It's a lot smaller than I imagined, but it's also, like, buff. So we can get the docks upgrade and the gold slime lamp blueprint. So purchase that. Here it is. Ooh, okay. Check this out. Get a nice little garden area. So when does the boat come to pick me up? There's no boat, huh? Were those always there? Or are those new? Because they are cute. Wait, and then this guy. Now it was all worth it. Gotta love an upgrade that comes with free little guys. I think my toxic trait might be accidentally giving vegetables to slimes that won't eat them. I wonder if this is intentionally made difficult to leave so that your largos won't escape. Because man, it is hard to transport these guys. Right, okay. And then you... Ow! So then if you come with me... we can do a little pen switcheroo. Let's go, buddy. Why are you scared? Did something bad happen? It seems fine now. Okay, so now these guys are upgraded, so everyone's gonna eat fruit. And I have 2 maxed out cube berries, which should be more than enough to take care of them. I should make this too. Make all the things. Oh, I can see what this pump came up with. What did you get? Just normal stuff, I guess. Okay, now I can be a golden owl too. Nice. I feel accomplished, I think. I think I might be getting more items. Whoa. I do like how they just get in the sauce and die. It's very good. Okay, there's... Okay, that was 2 jellies. That's very good. 3 jellies. Okay. I'm starting to believe. A 3 jelly haul is really good. Very happy with that. I did want to see that chroma. Astro Pearl. Whoa, shiny. That's cool. And then, wait, I can change my vac? Oh my god. The frozen violet I wanted to see as well. That is extremely snowy. I think I just want it to be... like, I just want it to be milkshake. Because that's the most pink one, I think. They need one that's just like pink on pink on pink, and then I would just love that. Wait though. Make my vac pink. And all my tech pink. Man, I could have been living like this the entire time. Oh, ah. Life is so much better now. I need to go get a slime for this. I don't know if I can only use one or if it's like, how many can you put in? Okay, so they're not magnetized. This is messy. Ugh. Ah! Come back down. Please. Was that good or bad? Well, it's bad because now these guys are everywhere. But, oh my god. Oh my god. Stop. Stop. None of you are free of sin. Oh. Constrain more than 15 slimes. Wait, I can do that. So apparently I can just do this out here. It doesn't actually have to be on the ranch. It just has to be like somewhere. And they recommend it over here. There we go. Okay, okay. Not as hard as I thought. You kind of just have to tornado them around. Right, so like if I put it like this. And then just get like 30 more balls just in case. Okay, let's get crazy with it. It's happening! Yeah! Come on, guys. More points. Woo! Everybody say yeah! Woohoo! Here we go, here we go. That's awesome. I think one did fall in the hoop while I was shooting him up. Okay, cool. I'm gonna redistribute these and then get the achievements for it. I thought they had to be like all the way full. They don't have to be all the way full. Are my bees pink? Yeah! Oh my god. That makes my life so much better. Oh no, this makes my life worse. Get out. Okay. I think I might have enough for the final upgrade, or at least I think it's the final one. Let's find out. Yeah, we did it! Look at this. Nothing left. We completed it. We at the 7Z Corporation are absolutely taken aback by your commitment to the Rewards Club. Congratulations. No further rewards. Okay, cool. Yeah. I'm just epic. I just win. Oh my god, look. Wait, hold on. That's the final trophy. It's so cute. The queen slime. And so with that, excuse me. And so with that, it's time to say goodbye. You served me well. Beautiful ranch. 115 days of hilarious hijinks, memories, and lots of new bucks. Make sure to tune in for the next series of Slime Rancher 2. And then maybe by the time I finish Slime Rancher 2, there will be Slime Rancher 3. Now wouldn't that be epic? Isn't it beautiful? What an incredible little world we live in, huh? Casey. I'm recording, Casey! How dare she ruin my long recording? Hey y'all, do you think the sun's ever gonna rise, or am I sitting here for nothing? It's happening! Oh my gosh! It's beautiful! Oh wow! Thank you so much for joining me on this adventure. I hope you'll join me for Slime Rancher 2. I can't wait to start playing, oh my gosh. Until then, though, let's get back to finishing up.